Hi guys, I'm here with another update on my home renovation. As you can see, I've moved along a lot. And I've got some pictures of it all. So the floor is in, and I've got outlets everywhere. There are going to be some other boxes. I'm going to make some gypsum board for this, and I wanted to place wood behind it so it's a little bit sturdier, and you can hang a painting or a clock without using some other tools. And there I also got lots of outlets. There I've got some insulation to do still, and here I've got to make a piece of wall. So guys, see you on the next update. I will post some videos after this video, and so you can see how I got here. Well guys, thanks for watching. I'm sorry that I don't react a lot on other videos of you guys. I don't have the time always, so I do my best for you guys. Thank you. Bye.